Most developers reach for not IN when they need set differences, but SQL has a more elegant solution. Let's explore the XCP operator. XCP is a set operator that returns rows from the first query that aren't present in the second query. Think of it as subtraction for datasets. The key requirement is that both queries must have the same number of columns with compatible data types, just like union or intersect. XCP automatically removes duplicate rows from the result, treating the output as a mathematical set. This set behavior means if the first query returns the same row multiple times, you'll only see it once in the final result, and only if it doesn't appear in the second query. There's an important distinction between XCP and XCP all. Standard XCP removes duplicates and returns only unique rows, while XCP all retains duplicates based on their frequency. If a row appears 3 times in the first query and once in the second, XCP returns nothing, but XCP all returns it twice. This is similar to how NIN differs from union all. Compared to not IN or not exists, XCP is cleaner and more readable for set-based operations, though not IN can be more flexible when you need complex filtering conditions. Here's a practical example. Suppose you want to find customers who registered but never placed an order. You'd select all customer IDs from the customers table, then XCP that with customer IDs from the orders table. The result gives you exactly those customers who haven't made a purchase yet. This is perfect for targeting inactive users or analyzing conversion funnels. Remember, XCP returns unique rows from the first query that aren't in the second, with both queries needing matching column structures. Master this operator and your SQL will be cleaner and more expressive. Keep practicing. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.